All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and the channel is all about making money online. So we go and we find ways to make money online, and then we teach those on the channel so that you can do the same. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you are getting these videos whenever they come out. So today what we're doing is we're working on our daily Clickbank series. So every day we go in and we check stats to see what kind of progress we're getting, see if we're making sales, and we're seeing how long this will take us to make a good income just by copy and pasting some pre-written emails. And we're using MLGS for our emailing system. So they drop 100 leads or 200 leads per day right in your account, and we're emailing those every single day. So let's go ahead and jump right into Clickbank. I'm going to try and make these a little bit shorter. So I'm probably just going to, when I do my emails, I'm just going to go through one, and then y'all can copy and paste on however many you have. We'll save some time. So let's jump in and see about reporting. At least my internet's working a little better. All right, so this is today. So today we've had, we're still getting visits to the previous offers that we ran that you can see here. A total today was 158. And this one right here, this Easy Rider, this is the new one that we've got out. And then this is also the new one we've got out. And I think this is one of the older ones we have out. So we're still getting some traffic on those other ones. Now let's go ahead and run the full period and see. There we go. Okay, so still getting plenty of traffic in here. 14,791 clicks to our link. 116 total impressions to our order form, sorry. And then the 6 sales that we've made. So we're still sitting at 6 sales. So I'm guessing this offer doesn't look quite as good as some of those others have, but that's okay. That's kind of the idea, is we want to find out what is working and what is not, and then we can continue from there. So I think what we'll do, I'm going to jump into my lead gen secret into this first account. And I've got the email pulled up on my other screen. So I'm going to go through that real quick. So again, if you haven't seen a lot of this, you can go back to any of the other videos because I start them all the same. And I'm going to grab our subject line on this one. This is for day number 6 for this promotion, and it's day number 46 in this series. So down here, and I'm going to go grab, I'll show you what I'm grabbing here. So here's the entire email, and this is down below. Now what we're going to do, I think we grabbed the subject line already. I think what we're going to do is use this pre-header. And what we've been doing, make sure we can grab all this. We're going to grab this full link, and we're going to go to there and then Control-C, and I'll move this. I'm going to highlight here and then Control-V and paste that all in. Now what I like to do is take that bold off. I should have left that one on. Then I get rid of this because we don't need it. We don't need to say body. We know where it is. And then get rid of this short code, and we're going to replace that with our system short code. So Control-C, come down, space, Control-V. It's got a comma, so we're good. And then we're going to come in here and we're going to see where we can put our link, and we're going to grab our link and throw our signature in there. Right there. Now, sometimes we may want to, this is a little bit too spaced out for my liking, so I'm going to bring it in just a little bit. I think these are, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and bring it all up a little bit. All right, so there's our ID. So we're going to put our ID in here from Clickbank. Let's see. Yep. There we go. We're going to copy our full hop link, Control C. And then we're going to go in here and find. All right, here we're going to have to, there we go. We can put it here for sure. And let's do bold and come up 1 on that one. And then this says hit the button below. So let's just make a button. So I'm going to do equals side arrow. Then actually, let's just do this. You want to go like so. And let's bring that. Let's throw our link in there. Let's bold that. And then let's bring that to a 16. So there we go. Hit the button below. Boom, there it is. All right, so we'll get rid of our hop link. We don't need it anymore. We've got it in 2 places, which is what I like. So we're good there. We're gonna hit perfect timing. And now you're just gonna continue going on however many accounts you have. Now, like I showed before, I like to go through, highlight the full email, Control C, go up here, duplicate, and then I'm going to go hit my other accounts. Well, I guess we can just go ahead and do them because I got to send them out anyway. All right, so we're going to go to number 2 right there. Mailing system, select all the way down. Throw in our body, go up here, grab our subject line, come all the way down, grab our email, control copy, and send it. Okay, there we go. We go to our next account, which would be number 3 right there. Mailing system, select all, come all the way down. We already have our email. We're going to highlight everything, Control V. Perfect timing. Going to go up. Grab our subject line from our document, Control C, Control V. Grab our email again from here. Whoops. Grab our email from here, Control C, send it. All right, then we're going to go to our next account. Should be number 4 right there. Mailing system, select all, come all the way down. Throw our email in there. Perfect timing. Subject line. Control C, Control V, come all the way down. Grab our email, Control C, send it. There we go. Go to our last account. Gonna log out. Gonna log back into number 5. Right there. Mailing system, select all. Come all the way down. I'm gonna highlight. Gonna do Control V. Perfect timing. Then we're gonna go up and grab our subject line. Right there. We don't need to grab this again because we are done after this one. And we're going to send it. So it's easy when everything's already in there for us, which we're putting in there for ourselves. So it's done. And then it just goes out and we're ready to go. All right. So I am working right now. I'm working on this series right here. I'm working on day 7 right now. At another time, I had to stop and so I could get this email out. These emails out, and I'm going to continue that. So keep an eye out for that one. And we're still on the setup for this series right here for Live Good. So definitely check that out. And let me know, whoever's following along, let me know if you're making any money with Clickbank. I'd like to see your results and see how this is going for you. It started off pretty good with that second offer, that second promotion we were running. So I'm kind of anxious to get through this one and see what the next one is, so we can kind of see if we can do better than we are with the one we're currently on. So I'm really not seeing any great results from the one we're currently on. So hopefully the next one does better. We will see. But I'm going to continue on these others as always. Do yourself a favor, go check this one out. This is the one you need to be in. It's very cheap to get into. Still plenty of time to get in on it. So go grab that and wait for the next video to come out. Ring the bell, subscribe, give me a like if you find any value in this video. We appreciate it. Thanks for being here. See you on the next one. Later.